Hi, I want to introduce you to a revolutionary product that's transforming the way we think about protecting surfaces. The sign industry is well known for displaying people's messages and getting their voices heard. And nobody wants to have a sign that looks old and dingy in just a couple of years. Introducing Ceramic Pro for the sign industry. What we have here is a sign that's ready to go outside and get weathered right here in Southern California. It's unique because we have so many different substrates. Each piece of this sign is protected with a different type of vinyl. So you've got a textured vinyl, a chrome type vinyl, a satin, white, matte finish, all different variations. And our goal and what we know is going to happen is once this sign gets put out, we're going to see very sharp contrasts between the area that's protected with Ceramic Pro and the area that's unprotected. So take this M for example. We've got a matte black M, and what you're seeing here is yellow masking tape that's over it. What we're going to do is protect this side with Ceramic Pro and leave this side unprotected, and we're going to place it out in the elements and show you guys the weathering process and how well Ceramic Pro can protect your work from weathering outside. What's so exciting about Ceramic Pro is it's based on nanotechnology, so you only need a little bit of product to go a long way. The idea is we're going to place it on the surface, it's going to permeate in and leave a permanent protective barrier. But what's important first is that you remove anything that could be stopping the product from bonding. That could be waxes, silicones, any type of protective barrier that's put on top of the vinyl by the manufacturer to protect it during shipping. So, Ceramic Pro Cleaner is your answer. There's two ways to use Ceramic Pro Cleaner. They're both very easy. The only tool you need is a pink microfiber towel and a bottle of Ceramic Pro Cleaner. One method is simply spraying it on the towel and wiping the surface. The second is spray it directly on the substrate and wipe it off. Extremely easy. Just make sure you get every piece of the substrate to ensure it's totally clean. Next, I'm going to show you the application process of Ceramic Pro, PPF and Vinyl on the material. All you need is a blue microfiber applicator sponge, one highly absorbent Ceramic Pro pink towel, and Ceramic Pro PPF and Vinyl. At first, just prime the pad. This could be anywhere from 20 to 30 drops until you fold the pad over and the pad looks primed like this. Apply to the substrate, making sure you get every edge. Then go ahead, take your pink microfiber towel and level it until it looks factory new. That's the application of Ceramic Pro PPF and Vinyl to protect vinyl in the sign industry. Now that the product has had time to cure, we're going to go ahead and remove the tape, exposing the uncoated side, and then we're going to put it outside for the ultimate weather test.
Audio Jungle.
Now it's time to put the Ceramic Pro sign outside for the ultimate weather test. We'll check back with you soon. It's going out in Southern California right now.